How to fix Roblox not launching. What's up everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys what you can do if your Roblox is not working on your laptop or your PC. So there has been this glitch going around where if you try to play a game, the Roblox will stop responding and it won't open anything. So in that case, what you can do is the very first thing that you want to do is go ahead and search for uninstall application here. And here you will see add or remove programs. You just click on it and it will open the list of all of your apps on your PC, and you're just going to search for Roblox right here on the search bar. Once you find it, you can just click on this three dots and uninstall this app. Alright, so once you uninstall it, you can go ahead and click on any games right here and click on play, and then you will see the install button again and install the app. After quickly uninstalling and installing, your problem should pretty much be fixed. But if it still doesn't fix your problem, then what you can do is you're just gonna open your run dialog box here. So just search for run, and on your search bar you're just going to search for percent app data percent. So you're just gonna click on OK. Now this will open your app data right here, and you don't want to, it will open up the roaming app data, so you just want to go back on app data, and from there you want to go ahead and click on local and find Roblox here. So I'm just going to search for Roblox real quick. So once you find your Roblox folder, you are just going to open the versions folder, click on it, and make sure that your latest version is installed. So find the latest version. So today is 9th of November, so this 7 number is the latest one. So from here what you want to do is go ahead and find the installation, this launcher. So you're just gonna double click right here, and it will automatically launch the latest version of Roblox right here. So as you can see, it's saying connecting, installing Roblox, and once you do that, your problem should be pretty much fixed. But if it still doesn't fixes your problem, then what you want to do is go ahead and open up your Microsoft Store. And once you open up your store, you want to download Roblox as an application. So you are just going to search for Roblox right here. And once you search for Roblox, as you can see here, the Roblox official app is free, so you can easily download it from Microsoft Store as an app. And that should fix your problem. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one.